and usually if I have an idea and it makes me up, then it happens. But if he has an idea and half the time I talk him out of it. But he talked me into my own idea.
Very much.
And
Is that Mikey?
Yeah. Is it? It is Mikey. Is Mikey leaving Hampton, going home? Yeah. Just driving past Hampton. So we're going on a Tuesday afternoon road trip because that's what you do. To pick up a new car that I bought. And yeah. I only decided, this is totally spur of the moment, I only just sort of even thought about it. The thought only crossed my mind about midday yesterday.
The best decisions get executed in 24 hours.
I don't know if that's true. I think that's like the worst decisions. So yeah, about midday yesterday I had an idea and then he fueled it, and by 8 o'clock last night it was happening. And we nearly went to pick it up last night, but that was too late. So we have to drive to Hamilton.
Which is 2 hours.
2 hours for us. And yeah, so we're off there now. Pick up, yeah, halfway, to pick up a new car. And yeah, so it's going to be a street legal track car so that I can get a bit more track time and I can just nip off to the track and not have to tow it, and I can go to Evergreen a lot, and Ed can bring the S14.5 to Evergreen so he doesn't have to worry about hurting his precious S15.
It's not that precious.
No, it's not.
It's already hurt.
Yeah, but it's probably a bit fast for that track, whereas S14 is really good on that track, and hopefully my car is good on that track. I'm hoping my car can drift. I don't know what I'm going to do if it can't. We're going to have some low-key mods, but not many mods, because I'm not screwing with this car. I'm just buying it and driving it and having a little bit of fun, but I'm saying today that I'm not going to mod it. It's already got mods. It's already got coilovers, it's got brembo brakes, it's got the 18s.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got 18s.
LSD.
Does that have LSD?
Yeah.
I should have known that. Yeah, so I'm hoping it drifts. I'm hoping I can have a little bit of fun. There's a whole heap of track days coming up soon. There's Winter Matsuri, GDR Fest. There's open, Hampton's Get On Track days that'll be opening up again soon. Chrome. Yeah, I need to look up when that is. Yeah, so there's a whole lot of stuff coming up that will be super cool to just nip off to the track, not have to take so many trailers, so many tow vehicles, so that we can sort of share the love with our cars a little bit more. And then once my AE is done,
We'll put a tow bar on
no, that's a silly idea. Yeah, we'll have a bit more options of what we're taking to what track and how we're getting there and how many people can come, because we do like to include our friends in our antics. So yeah, let's go make a really bad financial decision. DDM wheels. It's pretty cool, but it's not it. Okay, so it's the V6 3.5 litre manual. See? Yes, my microphone's gone.
I was just checking.
Yeah, 3.5 litre V6 manual. Coilovers.
Track edition, that's why it's got brembos.
The car was really noisy.
Track edition, hence the brembos and LSD and stuff. I don't know enough about them.
To be
I'm sure
fair,
we'll become Z nerds soon.
we know nothing about these cars. Okay, I'm not quite feeling this exhaust setup. There may be a mod on the list already.
Oh, yeah.
It did that
better too.
Oh, I've done that a few times. Like every time you come to work. No, I go slow as. The first time, it was like that.
Was that fun?
Yeah. It's got lots of power.
You go.
Gas cap is...
Firing things.
Gas cap is this one here.
Oh yeah. The bonnet and...
Yep, and then gas.
What? It's a button.
Yep, and we'll just pop it up.
Limit brake.
That's the mate.
I'll make him stay.
Yeah, I could hear him coming.
Here we go. Well, here she is, my terrible financial decision. I am quite happy I got this one with these brakes and the wheels, and we're going to sort the exhaust out. And I have heated leather seats for the winter. And I do have a cup holder. Just failing to hold my can. I'm going to need to drink some before I put it in there. Okay, let's go home. To do something to the exhaust. He gave me the stock suspension and the stock wheels. So I have skip rims. And yeah, stock suspension should I need it for some unknown warrant of fitness reason. Yeah, so I'm beginning to think this less of a bad decision. I'm really enjoying driving this. I seem to have real trouble going from 5th to 6th gear though. I had the same trouble in Keg's S15s, it's got the same gearbox. And I seem to just try and be pulling it too far. Not that I'm worried about putting it in reverse because you've got to push the shifter down. But yeah, I'll just need to, I think I'm trying to pull it over in 6th so that I don't go into 4th on accident, but I need to just chill. Alright, about to go through the tunnel. Better slow down. Well, here she is. I never ever thought I would own a 350Z. I've not been a huge fan, but you know, rear-wheel drive Nissan, and this one's really cool. I didn't even know the track edition existed, but this one comes out with LSD, Brembo brakes. It's got a whole lot of other little goodies that sort of standard ones don't have, and I'm quite looking forward to personalising it and making it mine. Some of the things I want to do, like I really desperately need to polish the headlights, and I also want to get Keg to pop it up on the hoist, because the exhaust has been modified and I'm really not a fan. It's got a single pipe out one side, and so we're just going to check it up and see what else we can do to it. There's a whole lot of other things that I do want to do to obviously make it drift better and to personalise it and make it mine. But yeah, I just thought we'd show it to you and close out the video with just a couple of little things we're going to do to it today, like polish those headlights and chuck it up on the hoist. Well, that only took 2 minutes and I'm stoked. Look at the difference. We've polished this one, looking bling, whereas before it looked like that. I don't know if the camera's going to show the difference, but it's times 100. So we'll get started on the other one. Right, we've polished up those headlights, thrown it on the hoist, pulled out all the inner guards at the front and all the plastic and bits and pieces that will just make a mess if I do have it oopsie at the track. Pulled off my exhaust tip, and Keeks talked me into staying with a single exit, just least for me to crush and squish if I do go up a bank at Evergreen. But he's going to just make a little bit of a bigger pipe for me so that it fills out that space and looks a bit more the part. But we do have a couple of other things we might be getting on with this weekend, so if that all comes to fruition, there will be a follow-up vid for this. Not a build, I promise it's not a build, but there might just be a few more bits and pieces to come, so stay tuned for those.